Discover the secrets of your car. Learn about hidden features that might surprise you. Start by opening the sun visor, removing it from the hinges, and turning it towards the side door to prevent light from disturbing you while driving. The seatbelt height adjustment allows you to tailor it to the driver's or passenger's height, improving comfort and safety. Simply hold the button, and the belt will move automatically. The mirror mode lever reduces glare from headlights behind you, especially at night. One click tilts the mirror, enhancing visibility. Under the steering wheel, there is a hidden mechanism to adjust its height. Press it to perfectly position the steering wheel. On the side panel of the door, there is a small hole where you can insert a key and turn it to lock the door, securing it against children. Remember not to fill the fuel tank completely. This can cause leaks and damage the tank's ventilation system.